Boost profits with this useful affiliate marketing advice. There are a lot of great affiliate marketing opportunities that are all over the internet these days. If you would like to enter into this money-making opportunity, knowing the tips that are in this video will give you a bit of an advantage over those without this information. Apply what you learn and you will likely succeed. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. Following the tips that were provided to you in this video is the best way to ensure that you are not going to be wasting your valuable time trying to make something work that is bound to fail. Use these tips wisely to earn all of the extra income that you are after. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.